What I'm going to show you now is how to customize your folder names and file names in your Lumix camera. This helps you to be organized shooting stage. It helps us to put images together so that we can bunch products or a portrait or something like that together into one folder and name it, and name the files as well so that it's easier to sort them out afterwards or look for them. We do this by creating new folders, and to do that we need an SD card in the camera to start with. Once you've loaded the SD card, we're going to go to the settings menu, which is the spanner icon, and we're looking for folder and file settings. This is the Lumix G9, and I happen to know that that's on page 4 of 5, so we go straight there, and here we are, folder file settings. We'll click on that, and here we've got select folder. What it's giving us there, 110_panner, is the standard folder naming convention. We don't want that obviously because we're going to create our own here. So create a new folder, and it's offering us this one, which we don't want obviously, so we're going to change that. So we'll click change, and this is where we can add our own folder name. What we're doing is creating a set of folders for a fictional trip around Italy. So we're going to name the cities and places that I'm going to go to in Italy. This folder will be for Pompeii. I'm going to leave the underscore there so that we've got a little bit of space between the numbering, which will be at the beginning of the folder name, and the characters that I'm going to add. So Pompeii, we're going to do P-O-M-P for pomp, and there we go, that's our new folder, 112_pomp. We can select that folder here, which is already selected, but if we go into this select folder, you'll be able to see here are all the other folders that I've created for my trip around Italy: Rome, Pisa, Venice, Florence, Genoa, Naples, etc, etc. So when I get to these cities, I can select those folders, and all the images I shoot while that's selected will go into those folders. So it's a very handy way of keeping your pictures together from each place that you go to. File name setting, at the moment it's P110, which is just mirroring the folder name. Obviously we don't want to do that, so I'm going to do user settings. We'll delete what was there already. Again, I'm going to leave an underscore. We've only got 2 characters to play with for this, so I'm going to use IT for Italy, and we'll set that. So all of the pictures I take on my Italy trip will be P for Panasonic _ IT. I can't change the P, that's fixed. So I've got the IT for Italy, and these Italian pictures are going to go into the Pompeii folder. So it's pretty straightforward, very handy. I find it quite difficult to be organised, and this really does help. All this stuff, of course, you can do on the computer when you get back, but it means sorting through all your images and renaming, which is never very easy. So if you can do it ahead of time, it will make your life a little bit easier.